In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and link data between Google Sheets and Docs. We'll start on the Google homepage. At the top right, click the grid icon to open the Google Apps menu, then choose Sheets. This takes you to your spreadsheets. Open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to bring into your document. If you have multiple sheets or tabs, make sure you're on the correct one before you copy. Next, select the exact data range you want. Click and drag from the first cell to the last so everything you need is highlighted. Take a moment to include headers or totals if you want them to appear in your document, and avoid any hidden columns or rows you don't want to show. With the range selected, go to the Edit menu and click Copy. Keyboard shortcuts work too. Use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Copying from Sheets preserves the table structure, which is helpful when you paste it into Docs. Now switch to Google Docs. Open the document where you want the data to appear, or create a new one if you haven't already. Click where you want the table to go, then right-click and choose Paste. You can also use the Edit menu or your Paste shortcut if you prefer. Docs will show a prompt asking how you'd like to paste. Choose Link to Spreadsheet, then click Paste to confirm. This is the key step. Linking keeps the table in Docs connected to the original data in Sheets. When values change in Sheets, maybe someone updates a number or adds a new total, you'll see an Update button appear above the table in Docs. Click Update anytime you want the document to reflect the latest figures from the spreadsheet. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. After pasting, you can resize columns in Docs to improve readability without affecting the original spreadsheet. If your table looks cramped, reduce font size or adjust margins in Docs. Keep your selection in Sheets tidy. Avoid blank columns or extra notes in the middle of your range, so the pasted table stays clean. And remember, the link respects access permissions. Anyone who needs to update the linked table may also need access to the source spreadsheet. That's it. You opened Sheets, selected and copied the data, pasted it into Docs, and chose to link it so updates flow through automatically. This simple workflow helps you keep reports, proposals, and summaries accurate without manual re-entry. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.